Hmm. Yesterday I tried to unwrap one and I tore the paper down. And today I'm gonna be really careful. It seems they changed something with the wrapping. Ah, yes. It's such a nice feeling when you unwrap one and not damage the foil. The foil is quite delicate. There we go. Yummy. That chocolate looks delicious. I'm gonna eat it afterwards. Now what's inside here? Okay. This is something new. What's this? Oh, cool. Something to throw around. So I'm supposed to put it in here. No. That's it, like this. Pull it through. About halfway. And let me do this correctly. I have no clue how to call this. My first reaction is tosser, but I don't think that's, well, appropriate. My British friends are now laughing at me. I hope. And another one. One again. And this is harder than it looks. There we go. Like this. I'll use these for judgment. And the distance, yeah, like this. I'm getting quite good at this. Actually, I'm not, I'm rubbish, but still. Whoa! One. There we go. So yesterday a bike, today a ball, or a wannabe ball, or something. So this is it. Nah, stupid camera. You're supposed to throw it and it drops. Looks kind of fun for kids. Well, I'll definitely play with my cousin with this. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you and have a nice day.